Corrosion is one of the main concerns all over the world in the engineering industry. The issue of transit protection is equally important while transporting the components to different units for assembly or for sending finished products by sea, etc. The CR or HR sheets received as the primary input are coated with RPO for transit protection. This coating is cleaned either by use of solvent or water-based degreasing or by pickling. These processes are not environment friendly and, in spite of such cleaning operation, often leave oil on the surface which affects the quality of further processes. Such clean sheets are then subjected to forming, welding, stamping, and so on for preparation of various components. The finished components are again given a coat of RPO before dispatch to the main assembler, where another similar cycle of processes to remove RPO is carried out. The final assembly is then given a coat of paint or plating before dispatch for use. Industries all over the world would always look for solutions which can reduce cost and time spent on these protection processes. Besides, many of these processes are not environment friendly. Dimple Chemicals and Services Private Limited has a unique solution to overcome these issues. Rate of corrosion in any environment is due to surface burr, which is present when an article is formed. Rate of corrosion is proportionate to unwanted substrate or burr on the metal surface in the same environment. That is, lower the burr, lower is the corrosion rate, and higher the burr, higher the corrosion rate. Our process patent can help to reduce this burr without increasing the process time or increasing the cost. This is a patented process technology of Dimple Chemicals and Services Private Limited. This process is called Nicbarclen process. Dipping or spraying 2% solution of Nicbarclen mixed with water on the metal piece of whatever size and shape for 5 to 10 minutes removes or discharges the unwanted burr, thereby improving the quality of pickling. It also provides a transit protection to such dipped material up to 4 days, thus eliminating application of RPO at subsequent stages. This, in turn, saves the associated efforts of cleaning or rejection due to corrosion. This process leaves a non-oily surface on metal, which helps eliminating process of de-oiling and thereby causes reduction in cost. Such treated components are fully amenable to welding, laser cutting, stamping or forming, since such treated surface doesn't have any oxide, which is harder than the mother metal, as this application converts most of balanced oxides present on the surface to docile oxides. This docile oxide creates a coating on the surface which has the same hardness as the mother metal. Hence, a metal piece dipped in Nicbarclen does not have any adverse effect on tooling life. In fact, this layer acts as a lubricant if the thickness of the docile burr is less than 5 microns. Nicbarclen proves most effective when added to the water rinsing tank after acid pickling. By this process, ferrous chloride or any other salt which is carried over after pickling is removed effectively. The advantages of Nicbarclen are: no additional cost impact as it improves present processes of surface preparation. Controls corrosion substantially by reducing existing rate of corrosion. is environment friendly, safe to handle, and is a green technology. Eliminates need for separate transit protection measures such as application of RPO. Can reach and act even on inaccessible surfaces such as internal surfaces of chassis frames, fuel tanks, cylinder head, exhaust systems, etc. DCSPL has another product called Z300 CTF19. Dipping or spraying it on the metal surface gives a transit protection up to 6 months. In addition to all benefits that are obtained in using Nicbarclen, Z300 CTF19 also gives the following additional benefits. Non-oily film. Eliminates washing before further processing and improves surface texture. Water repellent. Reduces the rate of corrosion. Monolithic film. Ensures better transit protection. Biodegradable. Is eco-friendly as it reduces pollutants from the shop floor. Non-toxic. Is user-friendly. Dimple Chemicals has developed one more process for full control of corrosion inside fuel tanks, cooling systems, etc. If the CRCA or HR sheets after dipping in Nicbarclen solution are given a coat of ceramic alumina polymeric coating or CAPC, such a surface will be immune to any corrosion even if such sheet is subjected to cutting, stamping or welding. In case of any damage to such coating, patchwork is possible. Dimple Chemicals and Services Private Limited has one more process to offer for abrasion, corrosion, UV and chemical resistance coating for various industrial applications such as the underside of a vehicle body, exterior surface of a pipeline and structural steel in highly corrosive areas. If the components after dipping in Nicbarclen solution are given a coat of ironite ceramic epoxy cementitious coating or ICEC coating, such a surface will be immune to any abrasion, corrosion, effect of UV lights and chemicals. All these products can add a substantial value to present operations in any metal handling industry and are green processes. Dimple Chemicals and Services Private Limited have conducted several tests to demonstrate their effectiveness in corrosion protection. DCSPL would be extremely happy to share this data with any actual user and is also able to design appropriate delivery system for specific applications for any products and manufacturing processes. The one-stop solution to all metal problems, Dimple Chemicals and Services Private Limited.